Hey, good evening, y'all. John with New York Metro Weather. Hope you're doing well and had a wonderful Labor Day weekend. A little bit of a late night update here for you. Want to let you guys enjoy the weekend as much as you could. If you haven't noticed, it's gotten a lot warmer out there today, and that trend is going to continue through the week. So we're looking at temperature anomalies here, departure from normal, and as we roll it from Monday into Tuesday, you see that we actually warm up substantially. We are well more than 10 degrees warmer than normal on Tuesday, and this air mass stretches all the way back to the upper Midwest. So if we move it to Wednesday, we're even warmer here. You can see temperatures way above normal Wednesday, and then much of the same on Thursday. Rolling forward to Friday, a little bit of a drop, and then the weekend and early next week finally bringing us a little closer to normal. But the next several days, folks, are going to be really warm. In fact, it looks like we have a heat wave on our hands. Here's the forecast for Tuesday, high temperatures in the lower 90s. Wednesday, even warmer with lower to mid 90s. Thursday, lower 90s again. And then Friday down into the 80s. Saturday and Sunday, a bit cooler and closer to normal. But backing up to what to expect over the next couple days, Tuesday and Wednesday are going to be very, very warm for this time of year. So a legitimate late season heat wave coming to New York City. We know, though, the heat is one thing, but what about the moisture, right? And if we look ahead to the dew points, they are moving upwards as well. Here's Tuesday. We're into the lower 60s or near 70 in terms of dew points on Tuesday, which when you combine that with temperatures in the lower 90s is really uncomfortable. Let's roll it forward even more. And Wednesday, those dew points increasing again. We're in the 60s to lower 70s on Wednesday afternoon as this air mass kind of really stagnates across the area. Thursday, you see those dew points getting even higher during the afternoon and evening. We're in the lower to mid 70s at times on Thursday. And then Friday, it gets even worse. We're looking at dew points closing in on the middle 70s at times on Friday, with the model showing dew points near 75 at times, which, as we know, is really, really uncomfortable. So the bottom line here is, as we go through this week, temperatures are going to warm way above normal, and this air mass is going to stick around for a while, bringing temperatures way above normal for a late season heat wave in New York City. But what the question becomes is, when is it going to end? And if we look at forecast models, the first sign that things will begin to change is Thursday into Friday. So we could have a couple of scattered showers and storms on Thursday afternoon. But this frontal boundary, unfortunately, is not in a huge rush to get through the area. So Friday afternoon, this is still sticking around. You see the models again picking up on these showers and storms. You can even kind of visualize where the front is. It's still west of New York City. And on Saturday, it really doesn't make a ton of progress. So again, scattered showers and storms to deal with Saturday afternoon. And Sunday is the first time that we finally get a hint or indication that the front might slide through the area. So after the heat, we're going to have a couple days of storms to deal with that take us into this weekend and into the early part of next week. And it's at that point that we might be able to finally look at temperatures getting a little closer to normal and getting a little bit more of a comfortable air mass in. Model data is hinting at a cooler than normal air mass moving into New York City by the middle part of next week, a little more than a week from today, and that could feature much nicer temperatures, lower dew points, and a little bit more of a fall feel to the air. But until then, folks, we have some heat to deal with. It's coming Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then we have storms through the weekend. As always, we'll be with you with updates every day. Thanks for sticking with us. We'll be back with an update tomorrow, guys. Stay cool.